a new video. Today we're at the beach. There's the sea behind me. It's just cleared up and the mist has gone. Hopefully get some sunshine. Hope you enjoyed last week's video of my FMP cinematics. So this week we're going to do some cinematics of the beach with my parents at the moment. We're just going to walk down to the pub and throw the drone up, get some cool shots, do some cinematics. So at the moment we're on this golf course, right by the sea. We're going to follow this bit of a track down to the beach and get some cool shots. So I'll see you in a bit. Just had something to eat and now we're going to do some cinematics around this bit of a cove. So cue the cinematics. You're driving me wild, wild. You're driving me wild. Yo guys, I hope you enjoyed the cinematics. If you did, please give me a like and comment down in the comment section. I'd like to give a massive shout out to my friend Sophie Taylor. Her Instagram's going to be here. She's my 100th subscriber, which I'm so happy I've got 100 subscribers. When I get to 110 subscribers, I'll be giving another shout out. So I'll do them every time I get 10 subscribers. Sorry this video is so short. We were going around coast checking out different places and the sun came out, which was really nice, so we just did a bit of chilling. Last of all, stay in tune for the next video. I'll be having Charlie coming around, which should be good, and we're gonna go and visit a waterfall, go and show Charlie, take some photos, do some cinematics, and it should be really exciting. So I'll see you in the next video. Help me help.